Okay, in the Touch and Go e-wallet, you can just click on toll, click on RFID. You have to buy one new RFID first. So just select order RFID tag, put in one, and then select buy now. After that, you just key in the information. And then after that, they will be listed here, my orders. Okay. Then after a while, you'll be able to they will send you this RFID tag. So you just scan it. Seems to be not working, but anyway, you need to register this first. Activate RFID tag. Next, what's the vehicle number? Another car, PKM something. Produa. My V. 2012. Register my vehicle. And then you just key in the RFID tag number. Scan. Scan this one. Yeah. Oh, invalid. Invalid. How do you scan? Okay, not or just type in E something E 28. Activate now. Seven 83735 78375. So this is the step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Stick Touch and Go RFID tag on the left headlamp. Okay. Top half of the sticker onto the vehicle. Do not stick on headlamp windscreen with tint on near metal surface. Done. So this is how. Okay. Peel off and then stick to the left side. Have to wipe first. Okay, testing RFID. Hopefully it works. I have to make sure the bar goes down first before I enter. Oh shit. See another guy stuck. Don't know why he's stuck. I think I might have the same problem. Come out lah, go to Smart Tech lah, we. Lots of space for you to go to the back, reverse, faster. My turn, hopefully it works. Oh, works!